This is a video on how to use Rent Manager Express to get all of the financial data that you're going to need to transfer into another system. First of all, you're going to go to axiom.rmx.rentmanager.com. That will bring you to this page. You're going to enter your username here and the password, which I'll send you in the email. Just click sign in. Once you're in, you're going to come up to the top left. Click up here. You're going to go to reports. You might be able to go to accounting, but I think it's going to be easier if you just go to reports right here. And then we're going to come down to the one I would probably go to is banking. And then you got a couple different ones here, but the check deposit listing may be the easiest. Next I'm going to you're only going to see this one, but next I'm going to come up here. I'm going to change my dates to 01/01, oops, I guess, /01/2019 to today. And then I'm going to come over here, transactions to include. This should all be automatic here. Next thing I want to do is I want to come down here and I want to select how I want it to export. So if I want it in Excel, then I'm just going to hit generate a report in Excel. And that will bring me to a page of download the document. And then I'll just click on that. That's going to pop up all the transactions or whatever. And then if I need to set my columns or whatever, I can just delete column headings and all that. But this is going to be all the transactions, and you're going to see it's obviously quite a few. But it should have deposits and the vendor identification on there. This Y column is just if it's cleared or not, which we only enter them off the bank account, and so obviously everything is going to have cleared, except for maybe the last month's. If you have any questions about this, just give me a holler, but that's how you use Rent Manager Express for exporting to Excel. Thanks.